Greetings. This is week 2, and it's kind of a midweek review. Every Wednesday, I try to just jump in and kind of off the cuff give some thoughts about where we are and where we're heading. And we had a really good week 1. I thought everyone was really in the class and seemed to understand the whole idea of persuasion, which is really important, and that's where we're heading. And now in week 2, we hopefully have chosen one of the topics from our writing journal, and we are going to explore it a little deeper. There is a video along with this one that goes into detail about the writing notes, and the overview in the announcements also does the same. So just a couple of points I want to make about the writing notes that often students miss. First, the sources should be actual sources, not the database. They should be articles, essays, journal articles with the author and a short description. And then you should be able to tie a specific article, essay to a specific key point. So that's really an important thing. It'll happen organically, hopefully. It is a really good way to help you organize and figure out what you're going to do with the research. Finally, there's a question about evidence. Where in the essay will you put the evidence? This is asking for specific locations. Where would you use this source? Will you use it in the body paragraph, in the beginning of the paragraph? Is it something that you want to introduce in your introduction? It wants specific thoughts about the strategy of placement of research into the essay. So that's enough about that, as you'll see more of it in the other videos, and certainly it's explained within the context of the assignment itself. But I do want to just, again, commend people. All the grading has been done, and so I have looked hopefully carefully at all of your work from week 1. If you have any questions, any concerns, if you are uncertain, then please contact me, and we'll see if we can't work together to bring your grade and your game up a little bit. So I like to keep it short. I look forward to seeing your writing notes. And as you know, the progression of this course from the writing notes, we will revisit those questions in week 3, adding 2 questions to the writing plan. And then from there, we will have a peer review of the work that you've done in week 3. In week 4, you'll do that peer review, and then on to the draft in week 5, and then you'll have a week to revise it, and the final will be due in week 7. So hopefully that's helpful. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. All the best.